What's up, tubers? I hope you're having a happy hair day. I got a serious question for you. Why are you not using a foil shaver? In this video, I'm going to tell you and show you why. You're making a huge mistake. Hit it. The question I proposed was, why are you not using a foil shaver? This right here is a foil shaver. This product right here gives you a smooth shave without the razor bumps. So if you're someone, especially of my pigmentation, a black man, and you're using these nasty ass razors that give you razor bumps, you're making a big mistake, because what happens with the razors is it cuts under your skin. It lifts the hair follicles up and cuts it. Therefore, you get a bump, because as a black man, our hair grows like a number 9. It grows in curls. So when it's growing back, it's curling under your skin, which is causing you to get a razor bump. So why would you continue to use a razor when you're getting razor bumps? Now, to combat that and not get razor bumps, what you want to do, guys, is use a foil shaver. What this does, it gives you a shave just like the razor, very smooth, but it does not cut under your skin, so you will not get a razor bump. So it only makes sense, guys, to use a foil shaver. Nobody wants to walk around with razor bumps. You don't feel attractive. You don't want to talk to women. It doesn't look good. Your face is irritated. So I highly recommend, guys, that you use a foil shaver. There's 2 different ones that I recommend. This is the BaByliss Foil Shaver, and the other one is an Andis Foil Shaver. Both of these are good foil shavers. They're just different in price. If you want something more premium, this right here is the one that you want to go with. Now, if you're in a budget and you want something a little bit cheaper, the Andis, this is what you want to go with. Now, if you ask me personally, this BaByliss one is a better foil shaver. But if your pockets are the most important thing, then go with this one. Both of them do the job. They give you a nice shave. It will satisfy you. And remember, you use the foil shaver after you cut your facial hair with a trimmer. Now, you can use this on bald heads. You can shave your hair with a trimmer, and then you go over with the foil shaver, and it will make your hair super bald. You can do the same thing with your beard. If you want to cut off your facial hair, a goatee, you use these foil shavers, and you will be bump free. So my question, like I said at the beginning of the video, fellas, why are you not using a foil shaver? The links for these will be in the description. Change your life, and you might get a wife. If you already got a wife, then she won't cut you with a knife because you look good. So fellas, leave a comment on this video. If there's something else that you want me to talk about, leave a comment. But y'all have a great day. It's your man, Uncle G, Barber Luther King, and I'll see y'all later. Ciao.